Hey, what's up, traders? This is the watch list video for Thursday, February 2nd. Sort of a little cup and handle breakout attempt on the SPY today. Um, FOMC day, right? And so, somewhere right about here, these are 5 minute candles. The Dow was down like 500 points, and somewhere up here, it was up 200. So, you had like a 700 point move in the Dow. It's pretty fascinating to watch, actually. Um, I did. I usually don't trade post FOMC. I did make a couple. I threw a couple bids out there, right, on some buy zone pullback plays. Still didn't get a trade, but you can see the merit in trading once things settle down, which I usually just walk away. So anyway, not a lot to talk about from today because I hate FOMC days. So what am I watching for tomorrow? Remember, I'm a day trader. These are things that may give me a trade tomorrow. I'm in cash every night. BZFD, BuzzFeed had this huge 2 day move. Now you're 3 days down in a row, declining volume. Goes on bounce play watch. You guys know how I play those. So if I get an A plus setup, I'll give it a shot. Peloton, PTON, actually broke out today. We'll see if that gives a follow through setup tomorrow. CVNA absolutely ripped. Can't really tell, because back here it was $180 back about a year ago, so it scrunches everything together. But when you look at it on 5 minute candles, that's quite the move, right? From kind of the 11 break all the way up to almost 1450. Definitely keeping an eye on that one. A lot of shorts in that name. GSUN had a breakout today. I'm not sure anybody knows why, but it's got a nice base below, so we'll see if it gives a follow-through setup tomorrow. CETX, huge move. This thing went from 687 to 1239 on barely over a million shares. And in after hours, it was trading at like 17 something. Right now, it's trading at 14 something. I don't know what spiked that, but we're going to keep that on a chart tomorrow. EH is holding up pretty well, so that one goes back on watch. SOBR, nice inside day after yesterday's rip. Certainly interesting. SI, ton of shorts in the name. This again, because everything's scrunched together, doesn't look like much, but it went from 1382 to 1720. That's a big move before settling in at 1624. Again, a lot of shorts in the name, so I'm going to keep an eye on that one. BGXX, let me zoom in a little bit here. You can get a better look at the big breakout today, but closing well off its highs. And then lastly, TENX. Ugly chart, but in after hours, as I'm talking right now, it's trading at 340. So potential gapper tomorrow on the after hours news it just had. And that's it. I'm going to keep it short and sweet tonight. I've got some things to do. I'll see everybody in the chat room in the morning.